Welcome back, guys. In continuation with the file handling and reading and writing in files, let's see how we can load CSV or Excel file. So CSV is just another format in Excel files, and I have one file here. First, we will see what pandas is. So pandas is a library that helps us perform manipulations, reading and writing in the data, and basically it deals with tabular data like where rows and columns are present. So first we will import pandas, and let's say I import this pandas in an object PD, and then if I take a data variable and then pd.read_csv, which is what we are going to use to read the file, that is a CSV file. So if I read this file, and it is very simple, so it will be read in the proper structure. Let's see. I'm just printing the head means just first few rows I will print, and you can see that this is now what is shown is a data frame. So data frame consists of rows and columns, like we can see ID, MS subclass, MS zoning, lot frontage, lot area. These are all columns where we have rows like this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all the index. So it also tells you that how many rows are being displayed. So basically 5 rows and 81 columns. So there are more columns after this that is being displayed by this data.head. So this is another way. Similarly, if you have an Excel file, then you can perform operation like pd.read_, and you can see Excel, and it has many various other functions. Read_table is also used sometimes, but I mostly prefer read_csv for CSV files because it is faster than read_table. So this data frame is actually used in performing various manipulations in the data, performing analysis in the data. You can perform many things inside the data frame that we will get to know when we'll come to this complete library of pandas.